Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a strange noise, it could indicate a problem with the motor. This noise often results from wear and tear or debris getting caught in the motor, and if left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, potentially rendering your vacuum unusable. Addressing the issue promptly can save you from more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and some isopropyl alcohol to clean components. Make sure you also have a clean workspace and some cloths handy to avoid any mess. To begin with, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and turned off. Start by using the T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. With the casing removed, you will have access to the motor. Look for any visible signs of damage or debris that could be causing the strange noise. To extract the motor, you will need to disconnect the wiring harness. Take care when handling the wires, as they can be delicate. Gently pull apart the connectors, ensuring you remember where each cable connects for reassembly. After disconnecting the wires, use the T15 screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Apply a moderate amount of force to loosen them, but be careful not to strip the screws. Once the screws are out, you can lift the motor free from its housing. Place the new motor in its position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place, following the same order you removed them. Now, reconnect the wiring harness, making sure each connector is firmly in place. Before closing the casing, double-check that all components are correctly assembled and that no tools are left inside. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Carefully align the casing back onto the vacuum and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws at the base to secure the casing. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and test it to ensure the strange noise has disappeared and that it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and inspect the motor for any debris. Keeping your device well maintained will extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.